Forgotten username recovery failed on Equifax Fix. If your Equifax username recovery keeps failing, don't worry. Most people get this wrong because Equifax no longer relies on traditional usernames as the primary login method. The surprising truth is that your registered email and personal information are now the key to accessing your account. Here's how to fix it. Step 1. Go to the Equifax login page and click Forgot Username. Enter the email associated with your account instead of trying old usernames. This email is now your main login credential. Step 2. If you cannot access your email or forgot which one you used, gather personal information to verify your identity. This includes your full name, date of birth, social security number, and any account-specific details you may have. Step 3. If your password is also forgotten, select Forgot Password after confirming your email. Follow the instructions sent to your inbox and check spam folders if the email does appear immediately. Step 4. If you still can't regain access, contact Equifax support. Explain that your forgotten username recovery failed and provide the required personal details. Their support team will guide you through a secure verification process to restore your account. Many users think their account is permanently inaccessible, but the reality is simple. Equifax replaced usernames with email-based login to improve security and make access more straightforward. Follow these steps, and you'll regain access quickly. Use your registered email, verify your identity if needed, and you'll be back managing your credit profile without frustration.